Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will, and welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. Welcome to my home. Welcome in my home. I just did a full arm workout. Today I will be showing you a complete arm workout you can do from the comfort of your own home during quarantine, during COVID, to build more muscle on your arms. And listen, for this workout, you're not gonna need any equipment apart from a towel and a briefcase. And that's it, okay? You're gonna perform this entire arm workout with just your body weight. You're gonna get a solid arm workout. You're gonna build bigger arms during quarantine and COVID. So listen, if you're new to this channel, my name's Will. I help skinny guys gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. And I've got tons of bulking tips and tricks for skinny guys who want to pack on muscle, who want to gain weight and build the physique of their dreams. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been a follower of mine or a subscriber of mine for a while now, make sure to check the links in the description below after this video and download your free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So I'm not going to go too much into this workout and the details, but basically this workout you can perform 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. You can put this on top of your other workouts to get more effective results. These arm workouts, you can perform them anytime during the week. I suggest 2 to 3 times, maybe even 4 times a week for the best results, and you're gonna build bigger arms in the next 30 days, okay? So perform this arm workout. I go through some creative exercises that you can use for both your biceps and triceps. Again, when it comes to building bigger arms as a skinny guy, we need to focus on 2 areas very equally, the biceps and the triceps. One of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make is focusing too much on biceps. So I've corrected this mistake in this workout. All you need to do is follow it to get results. So I don't want to get into the details too much. Let's get straight into this workout. that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Make sure to check out all the other workouts on the right side of this page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming workouts. See you in the next one.